Unlocking A Chum, dive into English phrases. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting and colloquial English phrase, a chum. Have you ever heard someone refer to another person as their chum? Let's discover what it means and how you can use it. A chum is a colloquial term primarily used in British English, which means a close friend or pal. Think of someone you share good times with, someone you trust and hang out with frequently. That person can be termed as your chum. Though the exact origins are not perfectly clear, it's believed that chum may come from a word used in the late 1600s for roommate or someone you share a chamber with. Over time, this notion of closeness and sharing a space translated into the term for someone with whom you share close friendship. Now that you know the meaning, here are some examples of how you can use a chum in sentences. 1. I'm going to the cinema with a chum of mine. 2. Do you know Jake? He's been a chum since primary school. 3. Lucy and I are such chums. We talk every day. Remember, while a chum is friendly and casual, it might not be understood by everyone, especially outside of the UK. So, use it with those familiar with the term or in situations where colloquial language is acceptable. English has a plethora of words and phrases to describe friends. Here are a few. 1. Buddy. Common in American English, akin to chum in usage. 2. Mate. Also popular in British English, meaning a friend. 3. Pal. Another synonym for a friend, used in both British and American English. So, the next time you hear someone mentioning their chum, you know they're talking about a dear friend. English is full of fun and fascinating phrases, and a chum is one of them. Keep learning, and maybe introduce one of your close friends as your chum next time. Happy learning!